Memo akwaba deba GCN page so medi e de adwoa search. Mr. subscribe to my channel. Fa onsa me bell no so we get notification. Video bia be bi ahwe. Efia pokua vim lady e na okase na o kire se NDC phone penifo titru pa ene omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Anka ebeya owura rojo metal omo empanish no. Punishment a ese efata bia omo emfa emano. Kamu betumi kran kwa monfa monsa enke kano kakra because we disappoint NDC amayoko ni papa titru pa ene omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama. Na efia ne reason na ene say na owura rojo metal pa na you how come say NDC party kese a ente say enye ordinary party bia to say NDC party omo you say ko represent omo ewo yisi headquarters Madam Jane Mensah ni office na montina say film wani enhwema kopim say omo be kan abanu be wie na omo de declaration be out ansa na mo afi ho na okoya also okonu miti na tea na wode ma wo kra no na biscuits enka ho na no so eye Professor White so e kire say Madam Jane Mensah yes or the declaration no eba out pe and almost man say on fine information and come on manpani dada John Dramani Mahama ofi hwa e na omo declare winner no e na Ghana for kasa wo ho na de ade a say na ntina woni phone na wo be frɛ e na hura Professor White e che say oh na ne phone adu e na ekoye nsem bebre e wo Ghana hanom na eno e na owura rojo metal so akodi adanse ono so e che say oh ono na okwa community ukrant na de na ekoso okwa no wante na eno e na efia pokua vim lady e che say NDC for mon punish owura eye rojo metal because somebody edimo no ense emfata because ye beka ya first day and I said day one more appointed Madam Jane Mensah say on be EC boss e wo Ghana hanom NDC for mo apem amia semeda mo si mo ngini ndi mo ni gidi bia woni mu ene mo ne na akon Madam Jane Mensah e ka say eye register na ye de eto aba no emu efu aye say odudom nipa bia wuwo edin bia ensem fata wo minti no e say a new voters registration for NDC for ne ma mi esi so kwen ene nyame ya adoma registration ni e ba so na ene na manfo ekeka say NDC for kra mo njima mi indi enti adenti ena esese nka mutumi atwum ho mpo minutes seconds enye se nka mo yesa nka mo ko baabi kra nka mo fro bi foforo na omehye mo anan na omo enhwe enyema ekoso ho mo de mo anya ne sa na eno ena afia poku esan so ekye se NDC for mo de mo nsem ekọ court no adenti na mo ayi nsem ni bi afi because press conferences akese a mo aye wo Ghana ha no mo kye se journalist o mo Ghana ha no omo kra wi aba ne mu e de ma NPP amayoku no omo anke bia ma mo NDC for adenti na mo court mo ayi enu na afi some court mo anga mo ati mo kakanka mo se embra eje adwuma wo ho no papa na efia ne nsem a o ka kosi nyina ne se NDC fo mpanifo mo fa punishment a ese efata enfema eye owura rojo metal because they were here no ense enfata we disappoint mo big time na yenti ensem a efia pokua e de etudwa
court election petition issue no want na T trend T na me see rojo metal no ho ya me wan kakra. And for that, I think that NDC should call Rojo Metal Nunu and deal with him. When you go for social media now, mostly Rojo, no. This is not a matter of laughing, no. When you're laughing matter, it's easy matter. We MPP near assembly and rule, baby, till you don't jubilate. When you're jubilation, this is victory for democracy. Supreme Court petition, yeah, President Mahama, they call court, no. A yama Ghana democracy because 2012 election petition and not Dr. Kufuor call and then Ghana, yeah, election laws, electoral laws. This election year 2021 year quarter year. Niama to me improve yeah. Young to say polling station. The elections are won at the polling station. It was the 2012 election petition, huh? And the court pronouncement. And Madam for a lawyer and Pombeka said the judges make law. Supreme Court Omokasa a law. Timo social media, everybody is talking because freedom of expression. Of course, it's true. Ghana Constitution in my question so beer to me cannot drink. Memo Bianca Kasabwa and show yam uti Facebook can waja mesumiti radio so I can talk my matter. Obitine their they can talk their matter. That is the beauty of democracy. Yen na ya na yanko program bese aje be ba kuntina Nimrod or also build the tower and yanko collapse tower. No now pese odi obi ana onya aje by force. Say odi wo sire rojo metin to obi ansere no. Also one sire no so that's your own issue but me my point is focus on the law. Supreme Court And now for that matter, court Diana, Yankabrofu no. Lawyers because you say you can't legalize. Yan ka brofo our court, you can't legalize. Enti is our first dictionary mu. Ni no may not be the same in legalize or in the court. Tienie pa me say court yan ka brofo you can't legalize. Ti mo amoti abonti na mo de adane ayi konkonsa ne ayi efo die na mo sere no wo de court ne kasa na obo. Okay 2012. Okay the Sir John at the time Sir John 2012 no your lawyer what's not bar no so your court nya job bar sem na make what's not why your lawyer juma 32 years ono kra na fair no Sir John yenim so a good person no okatia atukuba JSC e na won sha atukuba na nim dan no ye di no kogina Supreme Court so hu ne size atukuba nkasa buza say no you see your size Sir John nkasa say my lord I have gotten the baptism of fire you see any nyina ya kasre ye. But the beauty of it, even said John lawyer who said the law must work. And the lawyer Eric Ochidako Hanum, American Ghana lawyer. Every baby in one watch us a law no America is the same. Uba UK is the same. Uba Ghana, we are all common law countries. And the common law near the edge, you man, meant now if you and Caso did you see common law no ube interpret it. Pacho a simple issue and they can now grown ye be legalize and ya brofo. Me say NDC, I was so friend Roger Metal. Somebody who has gone to court in 2005, about 2004, President Kufuor elections. Roger Metal no file a election case, election petition in court. Or you'll be on Yankola, former minister, what was experienced. So for Roger Metal, me say Accra has of folk. And the Kumasi Santa Kotoko crack or baller, yen say massa. Say last year for Suhum, and I has a share, yeah. This time you better a year friend say, you better a Cape Coast in your court. Yeah, better central region in your court because even football Ukraine say massa where's a means now we call almighty election as an NDC apparatchiki knowing very well say 2012 election petition I am soon even 2016 NDC say we mu na buy now we call 2020 election as me konum tea yes me konum tea they only gave me tea not hey must you even leave don't show the okra mo show katita stay in the strong room. Stay there. Even if you are dying, stay there in the strong room. NDC should call Roger Metal Nunu and deal with him. Say, bra, then I'll pay ye. Now, I'm too, and I'm more. It is what be the okay. Look, me qua almost me continue oh, Gina Mechi. Now, you share your ball and God. You make sure say, hey, I didn't know macra. So it's on you. The same people almost say, and a journalist of where we are, let you. You see, NDC is in court, not mentioning even journalists. I said, that's why I'm saying that, look, here, Emra, you're very beautiful, you're good. That's why me clap it, me bonse my president, a good father, 2012, the time of court. 2020, yeah, president, mama, court, say, yeah, bonse my president, mama, good job. The law must work. So, president, mama, we need to me, yella, like, be a woman, famano. Well, we need to me, yella, like, be a woman, famano. Simple. But you see, court today, a facts. Evidence, law, any other casa, and yan answer some, and some now go for on social media and Joy FM or my room, and what is all because court that nobody is talking any bloody nonsense in court. Okay, evidence away, evidence.